Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Roblox avatar not loading. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for roblox.com. Now, if your avatar is not loading up, that may be because of a server error on Roblox. So you just need to be patient and wait for it to resolve on its own. If the error is not from the server side, then try logging out of your account and then signing in with a different one. After that, access the Avatar tab and check if it is loading. If the avatar is being displayed, then you just need to sign into your own account and your problem will be solved. Next, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Just search for speedtest.net and then click on the Go button. Just make sure you have at least 4 megabytes per second of downloading speed. After that, click on the 3 dots icon at the top right corner and a drop-down menu will open up. Here, click on the settings icon and a new window will appear. Inside it, get to the left side menu and open Privacy and Security. Now access the Clear Browsing Data tab and then delete all of the available cache. Note that this method will log you out of Roblox, so make sure you remember your login credentials. At last, close the Settings tab and get to the Roblox website. After that, get to your Roblox avatar and make sure to click on the Redraw embed to solve the problem. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox avatar not loading. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.